here, Honcho Supplies. Today I'm with Zach. We've got our new product here from Skudo Door Defence. Tell me a bit about this product, mate.
So one of the common problems in the projects we were seeing was guys are getting these doors up, getting them put in early, but someone's always bumping into them, knocking carts into them. They got trash carts going through. Everybody's just being constantly just bumping into the doors,
Right.
non-stop. Hey, what do you guys have for doors? What do you do? So we actually came up with this product here. This comes 3 foot wide, 7 foot in length, so that's a typical average door size. So it actually just goes over top of the door, it hangs down, and these are Velcro strips. They just go on it, mold it straight to the door. And it's thin enough that the door can still function. So we can still open and close this door as we need to get through it, but it's also protecting it from a lot of abuse that we don't want to go back at the end of the job and trying to do a lot of buffing or sanding and get that out. This is a hardwood door here, so we definitely don't want to scratch it up and have to resand it, stain it.
Yeah, definitely.
Metal doors, vinyl doors, whatever, it doesn't adhere to it, so we don't have no problems. You got a door, it's that size, we can easily protect it.
So tell me, recycle, you can reuse this.
Yes.
It's fire retardant,
Yes.
right? And most importantly, it's made from 100% recycled jeans, is that right?
It is.
The stuff that you and I wear, or used to wear, is now
Protecting our doors.
protecting our doors. So how about that, guys?
It went from protecting drawers to protecting doors.